case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1952, the Oklahoma Supreme Court heard a case between Mildred E. McIntyre and Nevin J. Dieffenbach, focusing on a lease dispute and the question of lost profits. The law requires the landlord to give the tenant actual possession of the property on the agreed-upon date, and the tenant may not be entitled to evidence of lost profits if the business was not conducted for a reasonable amount of time. McIntyre alleged that Dieffenbach failed to provide her possession of the entire leased building by the agreed-upon date, which ultimately led to losses for her business. However, Dieffenbach argued that actual possession was not necessary to be provided on June 1st. The lower court allowed evidence regarding rental payments and repairs, but not about the loss of expected profits, leading both parties to appeal the decision. Following the appeals, the court found that Dieffenbach breached the lease by failing to provide possession of the entire building by the agreed-upon date. However, as McIntyre's business was only conducted in the building for 2 months, it was deemed insufficient time to establish the business there and qualify for lost profits. Thus, the case centered around the lease dispute where Dieffenbach's failure to provide the property on time led to losses for McIntyre's business. Ultimately, the court upheld the verdict in favor of McIntyre, ordering the sureties on the super sedeas bond to pay $1,152.92, including interest and costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.